Howdy guys, today in FabriCAM we're going to be looking at the sheet preview feature that is found under your nesting tool. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, with our actual project setup, which we looked in the previous video, we have our shapes and our sheet. Now we're going to be looking at nesting. Just a quick reminder once again, make sure that you have quantity nesting, these mounts set, and not manual nesting, otherwise the feature will not work correctly. So now what you want to do is you want to click on your actual nesting button on top here, the one that looks a bit like a puzzle. Just going to fix my zoom here. And then once we've clicked this, we will be met with the nesting feature or nesting tool. So we've got a number of different settings we can set, which we're going to be going through. And then we have some more advanced configuration settings we can also look at. But today we're going to be looking at this sheet preview option, and this will pretty much be where you can get an updated preview of everything that you're changing before you submit it to your actual sheet. So you can adjust things easily, get it just right, and then you can start with that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit here start so we can get a quick preview of what's happening here and a run through of it. So first of all, we've got our actual white canvas and the shapes and the layout. So if I just zoom in here, we can see it is numbered. So we can see the numbers are the shapes are numbered like we used to. We've got the second numbers and the third numbers and the amounts of them. So you can see here we've got 4, 3, and 5 all together. Now underneath that, we have the actual sheet that's going to be on. Then we've got the used area and the used in percentage and total use, which is quite handy. Like if we had to quickly make a few adjustments, like let's say I set the speed, just try that again, and now we can see we've got a live update here on the actual preview. I'm just going to set that back to 1, and then same with use space. Let's see, this is 14.82. I zoom in there for you guys, you can also see it, 14.82. Now let's say we go and we add another part. I'm just going to add something rather large. Let's go about 500 by 500. Say okay. I'm just going to add 2 of these in case I can't fit it. And then we're going to go nesting again and say start. Now we can see from 14.82 it's gone to 40.37. So this is a great place to see how much percentage of the actual sheet it's using, and this is how much of the sheet it's using in the sense of its measurements. So we know this is a 2000 by 1000, so it is using 2444 of the actual sheet. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the preview. It's going to be very handy while you're setting up your auto sheets, your auto nesting. And then so we're going to be using this quite a lot. But yeah, otherwise before we carry on to some other features, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in a mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.